Traders, what an amazing way to end the trading week. We caught that fade to the downside. We analyzed the market profile of yesterday and saw that IWM participants really wasn't interested in the 229 price tag, and we traded it all the way down. You guys check out the video and see how we did it. Good morning, traders. David with Alexander Trade and Investment Group. Got a little bit of a late start recording, so we are 2 minutes and 20 seconds, 25 seconds away from cash open. So let's quickly talk about what you guys are seeing on the screen. I am, I don't, I'm not the biggest fan of where price is right now. My question I was asking myself was, we are seeing value of IWM kind of stuck in a range, right? So 229 price tag down to roughly the 227 price tag. We're currently trading in the 228s. I'm strongly feeling more and more like the sell may be the best way to go because I'm starting to see evidence of price going up, but there's lack of volume, at least here, the 9 o'clock candle, 9:05 candle, even the 850, so on and so on. But I want to see us more into the high 228 price tag first before I feel confident in it. I was telling my Discord as I was typing before recording that are other participants willing to pay these high prices? Even though volume is stuck in this range, prices continuing to fall, right? So higher price was, I think the close was somewhere up, let's see real quick. Yep, the close was here in the 229 price tag on the 21st. Then it dropped down to the 228 price tag. And then yesterday, 229 again. But we're not seeing a lot of that push up far as participants wanting to pay the higher tag. So I am more and more feeling like the sell, just not really in love with what price is right now. So we have 40 seconds until cash. I want to minimize some of these screens so I can see. I do have 229 puts, 228 and 227 puts locked in with 228 ready to go. VIX is below 20 at 14. And you see, we're pushing, but there's this high right there. Though. See that little bit right there? So I want to let it develop. And I really want to see us continue to push higher. That would be amazing. Prices are pretty great. So let's see with 5 seconds to cash. Let's see what happens. We opening now. All right. So 229s. Okay. The spread is crazy, so we can't play because the spread is like 30-cent spread. Or we going higher, there's no interest. Come on, I just need the spread to work out though. Okay, now it's better. All right. I like there's nothing there. Man, let me get my Discord together. I'm out into this 228s. Okay. Okay, so 30 cent. I like how prices are here. So 33 cent, I am entered at 33 cent per contract, 228 puts. Okay. So 33 cent, I'm looking for at least 43 cent. It look like I may get that right now. It's close to it. Should have got it in a little sooner. But if I get that, that 43. Let me write this down. 33. Okay, that should be it. Get that. So I was almost at 43. Just got to be patient, let it play out. So 33 was my entry. And then and that POC, I should have took it. That POC move. I didn't even pay attention to POC because that's where a lot of the value is right there. Volume. Maybe. So we're pressing but no volume. I should have took that. Why didn't I take that? I don't know. Not talking, not paying attention. So this is the hard part for me with the Discord too, is I'm typing and trying to pay attention. Okay, there we go. There we go. I'm gonna take it all pretty soon. At least take a good chunk of it right now because we're bouncing off that POC. There we go. All right, taking half. Okay, I got half at 43 and moving my stop. I'm gonna let this rest run. Let's see where we go. All right, so I got half gold. Let me tell my Discord this. I think I'm on gone to take some more profit. Move it up a little bit to 33 with my entry. I had it at 35 to capture commissions, but I'm gonna move it up to 40 because I see this next sign of resistance. And I'm just gonna take the other 25%. I'm gonna take it off there. Unless we have a big push, I would love that. Come on, sellers. So I just told my Discord, if you guys are interested, I will put the link in the description. But I think I'm gonna take it. Okay, so it's almost gonna give me 20. So 45, 48 now. So if I get to 53, that's 20 cents. That's a full gold day. I think I'm gonna take 29, man. I'm gonna move this thing to 45, my stop, and just take it there. Right now it's at 49. Oh, I moved it to 40, 44. Okay, 44 was I moved my stop. So I should be out here shortly because it's at 44. That should be it right there. 44 and a half. Okay, that's it. So I didn't get the full, almost full watch. Watch is gonna drop on me. Let me double check, make sure I'm not in anything. It's gonna drop on me, isn't it? And could have maybe I moved it too fast. I may have moved this thing too fast. But I still this sign of resistance here, we pushed through this first sign of resistance. Okay. Oh, are we gonna resist that POC? Because the thought that I had was that yes, we overlap value of the previous session, January 22nd, but other participants are just not paying those high prices. So I'm sorry, I was reading some comments. Okay, I got somebody from my Discord. Okay, cool, 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 cool. I'm glad I got to help somebody. So prices are the 228, and I could have did the two. I should have got in here. That right there, seeing that volume with nothing. But again, you can't, it's hard to predict very tops and very bottoms. It was gonna look at that. Maybe I moved it way. Well, not maybe I did move it too soon. That right here, though, this right here to me is a VWAP. That's that first sign of resistance. You can tell the people are taking profits. You can tell the bigger players are taking profits near that first sign of resistance. You can argue that the POC was the first sign of resistance from this drop, but this would definitely be VWAP is always a safe place to take profits from. Responding to trying to get used to talking and typing because I want to record and show you guys on my YouTube channel, but I'm also have a Discord that I'm running as well. So just responding to other people. Uh, so a lot of it looks like there's a one person that followed the 228 puts and wrote it down. I'm not sure what the price tag was, but I got into that at 33 cents. So times $133 per contract. It is now 46 cents. So you should be profitable right now. I would say take all of it. Take that 10 cent all now. Okay. So it's still at the 43 cent price. I would take it again if no one's taking on profit, I would take it right now. I mean, we may see a push below, but that's no guarantee. When taking profit can result in a reversal. Because that, the bigger players are out of the game, but at least for the moment, I would take it all. And then, unless you want to get into it, another one from here to here, and I'm sorry guys, I'm talking to other people as I'm recording, but from here to here will be we see price popping in there, or maybe even here, 228 price tag, the high 228 price tag, maybe another opportunity. But oh, look at the sellers. Okay, the sellers are really coming in now. Okay. Wow. Yeah, sellers are coming in now. Yeah, I could have made full goal. Yeah, there we go. See, we starting to see that. Here's that VWAP resistance, right? That first sign of resistance. They're taking profits, so you got to take profits now. Especially if you got in up here where we got in, you got to take it because right now prices are back to 45 cents. It went to 54, so that would have gave me full goal. But now it's back to now 41. So if you didn't take all profits now, you're giving back a lot of money. POC may give you because POC is where everybody's agreeing on price. That's yesterday's POC, by the way. Current POC is up in the 228, 228.87 roughly, 88. So that's the current POC. But we're talking POC of yesterday. You don't want to play when everyone's agreeing on price. You want to, the object is to play when the buyers and sellers disagreed the most, whether it's a value high, value low, extreme high, or extreme low. Those are the opportunities, not when everybody agrees on, which is the POC or really value area, to be honest with you. Value areas where they agreed on price the 70% of all trading, with POC being where they agreed on price the most. You're not going to make too much money playing where they agreed. Buyers and sellers agreed on price. Is where they disagree is where the opportunities lie. All right, that is it. So I did get a late start, so let me backtrack a little bit. Okay. Looks like I'm starting to see a lot of people trickling in. I'll answer these questions later. Good job, everybody who's on my Discord who may be happy to look at this video. I got at least one person to say they followed the sell down, so absolutely that's perfect. You should be a profit, even though it's still working out. I would take everything if you haven't already. Don't give back too much. And ooh, okay, we did have a 945 report. That was the PMI flash. Look what's happening. 945 just hit. Let's see. Let me write this down. Okay, we're starting to see it. Man, that PMI flag gave another opportunity. I wouldn't have played it, but you can see in real time what happened. Let's go to the report and see. Well, 946. We probably won't see it. Let's see. So yeah, we're not getting the information. We're seeing plus 11, but that's not really telling us anything. Unfortunately, I don't pay for updated news. So that's why I like the PMI, CPI, those reports jobless that comes out at 8:30 because it allows the report to come out, allows us to digest it a little bit before um deciding what direction. That's awesome, man. So another wave of sellers just entered the market. And I'm really, honestly, I'm really waiting for my mentees. I'm sorry. I have two mentees that I work with Thursday and Friday that I personally work with one on one. And I love getting their text messages, whether it's good or bad, because I can see the progression in their learning. One of them really, let me enter this. So their sellers are really coming in now. Um, I can really see the progression over a year, which is awesome that he's learning and developing the skill within a year. Because for me, I was 3 years of losing before I actually developed and started to make money. So for him to do it in a year, bro, it's incredible and it's something to be celebrated. It is something to be celebrated. All right, so let me close this Discord real quick and let's talk about why I chose the fade, why I had certain numbers up. All right. So again, let's start focus on the middle chart here. So we can see from even let's start with January 17th, right? Value of IWM has gone up from the 17th to Tuesday to 27th or 21st, which was Tuesday, right? This past Tuesday. Value has gone up, and then we also saw price go up, right? But when you go back in time, you got to get the bigger picture. Are there other participants willing to pay those high prices? And even though the 18th was a Fed day, you can still see other participants were not willing to pay the 229 price tag. So even though we've gone up in value, what is pre-market telling us? Will they participate and buy those high prices? And they didn't, right? So here's the 22nd, a shift happened, right? So price went up to the 229 area. Ooh, look at that fall. Look what they're doing. And then sorry. That part excites me. But then we go back and value starts to drop and price drop. So it kind of gives you that shift. What is the shift? Right? So then prices open on Thursday, yesterday, lower than the profile. So we were out of balance to the downside into the profile of the 17th, which we see what they did. Even though the selling was short and it was at the extreme high of last week, I chose to fade, which we did, and we made good profit on it. But the market ended up buying up. Now let's analyze yesterday's profile for a little bit, right? So the market ended up buying up yesterday. Value went higher, but didn't go higher than the 21st or the 22nd. Actually overlapped the 22nd. So my thought is, okay, we're kind of stuck in a range in value. Are other participants willing to buy these high prices? Now we're opening close to the high of value, right? The top of value. Here's the top of the range, bottom of the range. Top of the range is roughly 229.58. Bottom of the range is roughly 227.85. So we're opening at the top of this range. You can see the market is ranging, right? From top of value, bottom of value, top of value, bottom of value. So seeing that prices are gradually falling, right? If I was to squeeze it, the red box is the cash close, which is the end of the market. So even though prices are the value has gone up, other participants aren't paying those high prices, right? Even yesterday, we didn't go close to 229.88. 229.34 is where we closed roughly. They're not willing. So there's a shift. And now we're definitely seeing that shift now, right? The top of that value, and now we're seeing that shift happen. PMI was crazy. PMI came in and gave another shift down. We didn't break the low, right? 228.22 is the current low. Almost, by 5 cents. But we still 228.22 is the current low. But sellers are definitely in the market. In the market. Ah, there we go. I got my Thursday mentee just hit me. I know this got to be good news. Ah, okay. I'll talk to you in a minute, bro. All right, guys, that is the end. As always, as I end my videos, guys, I hope you find value in my video. I am very simplistic. I'm a very simplistic trader. I started off like everyone else with trend lines and indicators. I do not trade that way anymore. A lot of my trading journey, especially towards the part where I started to make consistent money, it was luck. And I say luck because I was lucky enough to meet some really, really great people. One was my mentor, and then he introduced me to other people. So everything that I have is all because of my amazing mentors and who actually trade me, who became my mentor for free. Only thing I had to pay him for is lunch when we met in person. So I am very blessed, and I'm trying to pass this on to you guys. So hopefully you guys will find value in it, and hopefully it's making you a more consistent trader. If you have any questions, always leave a comment. I reply to all my comments. Um, whether you have questions or you may find some you're not understanding or something I can do better in the way I show it, don't hesitate to leave a comment. I will take everything in consideration and look at that new low we just dropped, and I will reply back. All right, guys. Until next time, I hope you have a great rest of your Friday. Have a great weekend. I am planning on relaxing this weekend and doing absolutely nothing. I do have an interview tomorrow at 8 o'clock. I will be posting that when it's done. But outside of that, I'm chilling. And I hope you guys have a relaxing one as well. All right, until next time.